Join in on the fun and grab your glue gun. It's the Preppy Crafty Girl Show.
Hey everyone, it's Jonna, the Preppy Crafty Girl. I know this isn't up close right now. However, I'm just gonna get the big one off the top here. So I bought this box. It was an entire box for $5, and it was half off the day I was in there. And so I didn't have a chance to really even look at it. The only reason why I bought it was for this like nubby fiber thing. And you can see how huge this roll is, but I love buying these rolls and using them as decor. So this is almost 11 inches, this fiber roll of fiber. Can you see how beautifully creamy nubby that is? So that's going to be lovely with the other one that I have. I have another one that I bought that's even bigger that I showed in a previous haul. So we're going to be going through this together. That was one of the ones that I wanted. When I saw it sitting on the top, I'm like, yeah, I got to get that. And then, so I don't know what's in here, but so we're just going to go through this box and unbox it together. This was one that I did get when I was on my my adventure with my sister where we thrifted together. So let's just go in and dig. So good thing I do see is some fibers. So there I do crochet. Look at that. That's beautiful. And I do crochet. So this is exciting to get some yarn. So there's this really pretty multicolored, so soft yarn. And then there is this other one that is purple. So I got a purple yarn, which is great for all my peeps that love their purple so much. I've got two with purple in it. So I have those. Oh, this is a nubby vintage fiber. Look at this. It's like a nubby mint colored green. Isn't that pretty? So that right there to me, I'm already over my $2.50 of what I got. Here's some maple willamette virgin wool worsted wool hand weaving yarn. Now I do know I've put these up in my shop before, and this one is in camel 44, and I am going to put this up in my shop also. So probably by the time you have seen this video, this will be available. The maple weaving yarns will be available because they did really well. Here's a lily one. Lily weaving wool. This is 100% virgin wool. So there's green. What else we got? And then we have this horizon blue, and this is square sale Frederick J. Fawcett, Boston, Mass. 100% new wool, hand weaving worsted, 270 yards. It's new, still in the package. What a beauty! You know me, I love blue. So that one's super pretty. Then we have another one in here, Lily weaving wool in this fun colored green called, doesn't have a name. It's just color number 18. So yeah, all these weaving wools will be going up in my shop. Here's another one in that camel. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, I don't know what these are. Let's see. These are Bernat Pearl 5 mercerized for knitting, weaving, and crocheting. And here's a Pearl 10. So this one is for weaving, crocheting, and needlepoint. So these are super fine, really interesting colors, that orange and kind of mustardy color. And then there is this Bernat Pearl 10 for weaving, crocheting, and needlepoint. Pretty purple color. And then we have this one, which is the Lily Floss mercerized fast colors. Oh my gosh, the labels on this is they're from Shelby, North Carolina, Lily Mills Company. So they're calling it Floss. It's really pretty color. Then what is this? Oh my gosh, this is like a big giant ball of some kind of crochet yarn, like really fine kind of a yarn. This is a fun ball of fun ball of yarn. So What else we got? Then, oh my gosh, this is awesome. So here is all this gold thread. Oh my goodness, there's a massive thing of gold thread, which I love using this at the holidays and then doing like behind clusters and stuff, adding in a little bit of glitz. So that's super excited. I have a ton of this. There, like I said, this is massive, people. I got this whole thing for $2.50. Like what? Okay, then there is this one here. This is waxed. Oh, that's awesome. So this is a wax thread in this really pretty raspberry red color. So this I can definitely use for bookbinding. Then there is this really pretty red color just in that cotton crocheting thread. This is this yellow something or other. I don't know, that rubber band is shot. It almost looks like kite thread. So, but a little bit heavier. I don't know what kind of thread that is in the yellow. Let's see what else is in here. Here is a navy blue crochet thread. Feels like cotton. Then we've got a brown, chocolate brown color. So nice thread right now. This is a cotton, some kind of cotton thread also, some kind of crochet thread. And what's we got in here? This is craft glue. This is from the Dollar Tree. I've never tried it, but it was in here, so I might give it a go. Anybody try that? I wonder if it's any good. So here's a spiced berry. This is new, still wrapped. Satin in the appleberry. And you know what? I don't have this color, this burgundy color. So that'll be good to add to my stash if it's any good. And then there are just some more random little bits of yarn and string. And then we have, what's this? Dual Duty Coats and Clark all-purpose thread. I can always use a good all-purpose thread. Oh, it's polyester. I'm not a big fan of using the polyester thread. I much prefer using 100% cotton. I think it goes through paper nicer. So, yeah, I'll probably still use it though. And then I found this is in the bottom. So it's this fun little glittery tinseled trim. That's really interesting and quite festive for the holiday season. So that will be fun. Well, thank you for joining me for this unboxing. I think it was worth $2.50. You tell me below. You think it's worth $2.50? I do. I mean, $2.50 just for the crochet yarn is worth it right there. Anyway, thank you for joining me, and I will be back soon for another thrifting haul from my sister's trip, and I will talk to you soon. Don't forget, hit the thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you wouldn't mind, if you're enjoying the content and you want to see more and find out when I'm going live and when I post a new video. Thank you. Bye, guys.